This is my friend's wife's Toyota Corolla LE, and I'm just gonna be doing an oil change on it. The switch is right here. Pull that latch. This pinch weld, and that is gonna be my jack point. Pretty much directly under the mirror. All right, I jacked her up. I got her on the jack stand. I also have the jack under there, just with some light pressure from the jack, just in case the jack stand were to fail. But I don't think it will. I got under the car. I am going to remove these 4 bolts that are holding in the oil drain filler plug and the oil filter. I undid the cap here. That way we can get a nice fast draining. Grab this, bring it around town. Where is my 10 millimeter? I was definitely right, it is a 10. Hold the hell on. Well guys, it appears I got the wrong oil filter. I didn't think it had a fucking cap. Alright guys, it's a new day. And I got the right oil filter. I got paper towels down here because it's probably gonna make a mess. I'm gonna get the new oil filter ready so I can just throw this one into my pan here and pop the new one right on. I am going to lube up the outside of this with some of my brand new oil. Undo that cap. This thing's probably gonna be on here pretty tight. Whoops. Hey. Oh man, that thing's on there good. I just greased up my good hand. My strong hand. I can't even tell if it's turning. I doubt it. Alright, so I got a secret weapon. It's a rubber band. I got another secret weapon. This one's an actual weapon. This isn't gonna be the cleanest processed since I can't get that off by hand, so I'm gonna actually drain the oil first. You can see the bolt right there. It's a 14, and we're just gonna do this by hand. Make sure you don't drop the bolt. I'm having a hard time getting the filter off, so I'm gonna have to use some alternative methods, and it's gonna be a mess. I'm gonna come back here and stick the bolt back in. You know, relatively easy jobs to do, but it's definitely my least favorite thing to do. All right, that's back on, and now I'm just gonna tighten it back up with my 14 millimeter. All right, that's good. Don't want it super tight. Also, don't want it to be quite as loose as it was. All right, this is the tough part. Oh man. Told you this is gonna be a mess. I might be able to get it now. See if I can sneak in here. This rag is trash. Ugh. Got our new filter here. Oh, that's on there tight. Now that that's done, I need to go grab a phone. Pour it from the side. That way you don't get those bubbles coming in from the air handles. I mean, yeah, the handles. Put our cap back on, and boom, she's all done. Alright guys, if you like this video, please make sure you leave a like and a comment. Make sure you subscribe. I've got a lot more videos coming just like this one, and a bunch that aren't like this one. So yeah, I got a giveaway coming up.
500
subscribers. I'm at around
334.
So please make sure you go subscribe, and I'll be back in a few days with more content for you. Peace.